We're doing all companies affected by the tariff announcement. I want to start with the tech sector. The biggest losers, those that source a lot of their products from Asia, the new tariffs reached 34% for China. Apple, a big part of that. It's been down as much as 7% before the bell. Now, aside from sourcing the products from China, Apple also increasing building iPhones, AirPods in India. That's getting a 26% reciprocal tariff. Vietnam, where the company makes like the AirPods, the iPads, the Apple Watches, Macs, they'll be hit with a 46% tax. So Apple really being hit hard this morning. Nvidia, they rely on China for AI chip sales. Its shares have been down as much as 6%. And then you have another big stock mover, Tesla, of course. It's been down more than 6%. A lot of that has to do with the 25% tariff on U.S. Auto imports. But what's more, it's those certain auto parts that will be hit with a similar levy, and that's no later than May 3rd. There's other factors, too. You also consider with Tesla, their sales fell 62% last quarter in Germany, too.
Okay,
so that's affecting them.
What else do you have?
You go to the pharmaceutical.
Is anything going up?
I've been trying here. Well, it should have, because the pharmaceutical sector was spared from these tariffs. But the thing is, it may not last long because people are saying, sources are saying that the White House plans to launch this investigation into the drug industry, other sectors. So that could lead to tariffs under the Trade Expansion Act. Now, because of that, you have Eli Lilly that was off about 2%. Pfizer was down about 0.2%. So in reality, they should have been a little bit higher, but now they're lower because you know what they're saying? Hey, let's not get too crazy and happy that we got, spared from it for now because things could change.
Is that it?
I know. Well, there's also footwear apparel. That was big. We were talking about Nike. Yeah. They make a lot of their sneakers in Vietnam. Their shares have been down more than 8%. But it's even not just Nike. It's sneaker makers like Adidas, Puma. They increased their reliance. Adidas.
No, it's Adidas.
Thank you.
Come on. It's Adidas.
According to Matt Miller, it is Adidas.
No, it's wrong. It's Adidas. Okay.
But factories in Vietnam, Indonesia, right? And Vietnam, actually, the largest supplier of footwear for Nike and Adidas. And then when you talk apparel, there's Lululemon, right? Lululemon, Abercrombie and Fitch. I know. A lot of people are. But they make a big portion of their products in Vietnam and Cambodia.
I got 30 seconds to the stock movers. What's it mean for Costco, Lisa Mateo?
Oh, my gosh. That's the one thing I haven't checked are Costco shares. Oh, my goodness.
But the hot dog and soda is still $1. We're not changing that.
It hasn't. No, but actually, a lot of retailers, though, you mentioned retail, like Walmart is down also this morning. Look, Costco down about 4%. So there you go. Like the big retailers are being affected by this morning.
Lisa Mateo, thank you. For more conversations like this, the new stock movers, instant success. Thank you for the interest out on YouTube. Stock Movers. Subscribe for 5-minute episodes. Our biggest winners and losers in the stock market on a day of big losers. Listen to Stock Movers. You can do that on Apple, on Spotify, anywhere you get your podcasts, including at YouTube.